1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, priced at $50,000. This classic coupe is presented in excellent condition and remains fully roadworthy for enjoyable driving. It features a powerful 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth manual transmission, delivering an engaging driving experience through its rear-wheel drive system. The odometer shows 78,000 miles, reflecting careful ownership over the years. Finished in an attractive green paint color, this Chevelle SS stands out with timeless muscle car styling. It also comes with a clean title, providing extra confidence for buyers seeking a well-maintained American classic that is ready to drive and proudly display. 1965 Dodge Coronet, priced at $43,900. This classic American car is presented in new condition and is fully roadworthy for comfortable cruising or weekend shows. The odometer displays 2,126 miles, indicating extremely low recorded mileage. Finished in a striking red paint color, the exterior delivers timeless styling that continues to attract attention wherever it goes. The vehicle features an alternative fuel configuration and an alternative transmission setup depending on the owner's preference or restoration specifications. It also comes with a clean title, giving buyers added confidence in purchasing a well-maintained and dependable classic vehicle. 1966 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $34,500. This classic American coupe is in very good condition and remains fully roadworthy for daily enjoyment or weekend cruising. Powered by a dependable 8-cylinder gasoline engine, it is paired with a smooth automatic transmission that delivers reliable performance through its rear-wheel drive system. The odometer reads 3,432 miles, reflecting limited recorded use. Finished in a vibrant yellow paint color, this Nova captures attention with its bold and timeless appearance. It also includes a clean title, giving buyers extra confidence when purchasing this well-maintained and desirable classic muscle car. 1973 Dodge Challenger Coupe, priced at $37,995. This iconic American muscle car remains in very good condition and is fully roadworthy for enjoyable driving experiences. Powered by a gasoline engine and paired with a responsive manual transmission, it delivers an engaging and classic driving feel appreciated by enthusiasts. The odometer shows 139,000 miles, reflecting years of careful ownership and dependable performance. It also comes with a clean title, providing added confidence for prospective buyers. With its timeless styling, strong reputation, and collectible appeal, this Dodge Challenger is an excellent choice for classic car enthusiasts everywhere. 1962 Porsche 356 Coupe, priced at $97,500. This legendary German sports car is in very good condition and remains fully roadworthy for collectors and driving enthusiasts alike. Powered by a gasoline engine and paired with a manual transmission, it delivers the engaging performance and classic character that made the model famous. The odometer reads 89,507 miles, reflecting a well-preserved history of careful ownership. It also comes with a clean title, providing added peace of mind for prospective buyers. With timeless styling and lasting collectible value, this Porsche is a remarkable investment. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, priced at $23,450. This iconic American muscle car is in like-new condition and remains fully roadworthy for enjoyable cruising or classic car events. It is powered by a robust 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering dependable performance through its rear-wheel drive system. The odometer displays 888,888 miles, reflecting its extensive driving history. Finished in a clean, white exterior, this Mustang carries a rebuilt title while maintaining impressive appeal, making it an attractive choice for enthusiasts seeking a timeless and affordable classic. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, priced at $18,500. This iconic American classic is presented in excellent condition and remains fully roadworthy for everyday enjoyment or weekend car shows. Powered by a reliable 8-cylinder gasoline engine and matched with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. The odometer reads 53,000 miles, reflecting careful ownership and consistent maintenance over the years. Finished in a clean white exterior, this Mustang features a clean title, giving buyers added confidence. Its timeless design, dependable performance, and collectible appeal make it an outstanding choice for any classic car enthusiast. 1971 Plymouth Duster, priced at $24,500. This classic American muscle car is in very good condition and remains fully roadworthy for enjoyable cruising and collector ownership. Powered by a dependable gasoline engine and paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it offers a comfortable driving experience while preserving its vintage character. The odometer displays 888,888 miles, reflecting an extensive driving history throughout the years. It also comes with a clean title, giving buyers greater confidence in its ownership status. With its timeless styling and enduring appeal, this Plymouth Duster remains an attractive classic for enthusiasts today. 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III Coupe, priced at $14,500. This elegant American luxury classic is presented in excellent condition and remains fully roadworthy for comfortable cruising and collector enjoyment. Powered by a smooth 8-cylinder gasoline engine, it is paired with an automatic transmission and a rear-wheel drive system for a refined driving experience. The odometer reads 95,000 miles, reflecting careful ownership over the years. Finished with a custom exterior paint color, this Lincoln also carries a clean title, making it a desirable choice for buyers seeking timeless styling, comfort, and dependable classic performance.